I thought I would try my luck at some pool tonight, and first of all I'm going to try to win some coins. And the coins is used, you can use the coins to buy like a different cue stick or things like that in the pool shop. So here I won 300, and then I will play. I usually play for 200 coins. If I lose, then I lose 100, but if I win, I gain, you know, my 100 back plus their 100. But on these upper level ones, you know, like if it's 5,000, of course, then I would lose 2,500. So I try to stay away from them. I just play simple, so I'm more relaxed and it's more fun. So let's get started. Hello, it's about 1:45 making a little, I took a couple hour nap, so I'm not really tired. Our son's coming over in a little while to work on the floor some more, so I'm making up a little snack with a little sausage and then work on the floor. I'd probably help him move some things out of the way, but he's pretty good about moving the heavy stuff. I know this is going to sound weird, a little bizarre, but for the sweetener in my oatmeal, I like to use Coffee Mate, the sugar-free brand. So I just sprinkle a little bit on there and mix it in, and it's just the right sweetness without the sugar. So, yeah, just thought I'd share that little piece of information. I got my table set up with the diamonds. Oops, I got a break here. See how that goes. And usually I like to bring my screen down so I can't see if they're trying to talk to me, because a lot of people will try to talk to you to distract your pool plan. Whoops, like I'm distracting myself. Let's see, I'll put this up a little bit more. There we go. And I'm having some of my oatmeal that I made earlier. So I am solid since he got the stripes in. You can click on your opponent and find out where they're from. Like this, they're from Saudi Arabia, which is kind of cool. Find out that. This is my first game of the night, so I'm not warmed up yet, but I usually do pretty good. Well, got one of mine in, that's good. Oh, I knew I thought I was gonna miss that one. There we go. And then I can just put the 8 ball in and call it a night. He worked all into the night, but I think they got it. They just have to do some trim work, you know, putting the trim through here and through the hall and back by the patio door. But I think it looks really nice, and I think it's really nice. Yeah, I love it. And got everything on the table because we had to empty out this cupboard, and to move it, to lighten it up, we put stuff on the table. So anyway, one step at a time, but other than that, I think it matches the backsplash really nice. And so this is in the better lighting, and there's the backsplash. And our appliances should be in about a week or two. So we got the new black stainless steel, and it has fingerprint proof fronts on them. So excited to get those. And but yeah,